What's up, traders? Welcome to another video. On this video we are going to learn how to use TradingView for our crypto technical analysis. This is probably the most important video on the series since we'll cover price action and how to read the charts. This is extremely important for you to be able to decide when to buy crypto and when you should sell it. So let's start by understanding all the basics components of TradingView, and let's customize it a little bit better to start analyzing crypto. One thing you should know is you can analyze fiat, stock market, and crypto with this tool. We are going to be focusing only on crypto. So the first thing I need you to do is right-click the chart, and then from color theme, select dark. From here, let's start learning about the most important things we need to use from the interface, okay? So starting from the top right, we have a watch list. This is useful so we can quickly track the information of the crypto we're following closer. So it also allows us to, for example, click and instantly load the chart for the particular crypto. So if we see here, if we want to go to Ethereum, we just click here and we load Ethereum. We have the price below and 24-hour range of the price. You can add more pairs on the plus sign up here, okay? On the bottom, you can see a bar that allows you to quickly jump from one time frame to another, so we can actually see the evolution of the coin or the crypto on a longer period. So we have 1 day, for example, 1 month, 1 year. To the left, we have the bar with all the tools we are going to use for our technical analysis. On the top bar, we can find the symbol search, so we can select a crypto and we can also select the source of the information. I like to base all my analysis on prices and volumes coming from Binance. So if you click here, you can, for example, go to the Solana pair, for example, if you type Solana, or if you type Sol USDT, this will give me the Solana dollar pair. And I can see it's coming from Binance, so I can select that one. To the right of the symbol search, we can find the time range tool. We can see price action based on time ranges, which are really short, like for example 5 minutes, or really long, like 1 month. I always take a look at least at 3 time ranges. So for example, 5 minutes, 1 hour, and 1 day. So we can go here, and then we can select if we want 5 minutes. Each candle will represent 5 minutes. If we select 1 day, each candle will be 1 day, okay? Next, to the right, we can see the indicators tab, and in the indicators tab, we can select any indicator that might help us with our trading strategy. So one of the most common is the RSI. We can select this one, click it, and we add it to the chart. So this is very basic, okay? But in the next video, we are going to start learning how to read the chart. Let's jump into the next video.